Hi, PG with MarineMax of Houston. I'm here aboard this exciting 251 Coastal Explorer by Grady-White. This is a new 2019 model powered by a 300 Yamaha. This boat is great for doing just about anything you want to do in coastal areas, lakes, bays, whatever. This boat's designed as a serious fishing boat with multiple live wells, including an extra deep one right here under the helm. We've got another one back here, kind of a catch and release tank. But we've got these removable seat cushions that actually allow for really nice loungers aft, and as you'll see in a little bit, we have some really nice ones up front as well. Got an extremely nice deluxe helm seat here, very comfortable boat, and is like all Grady's, it's known for a great ride, a dry ride. It's going to give you great comfort for your family and a great day out on the water. We've got, in addition to our electronics box, up here we've got the storage for your extra canvas or any life jackets or anything like that you might have. Great tilt steering at the helm. It's comfortable to drive sitting down or standing up. Plenty of room for your custom electronics. And by the way, we at MarineMax install any brand you want. We handle all the major brands and do professional installations. Let's move forward a little bit and check out the head compartment on here. We've got nice loungers up front. As you can see, they recline, but you can also take off the cushions and reveal just a nice casting platform underneath. Great seating for your family here. There's that head compartment we mentioned earlier. Lots of room, great features, hardly anything you can't accomplish with this boat. Once again, it's a 2019 251 Grady Coastal Explorer here at MarineMax of Houston. I'm PG. Come check us out.